And here is Faithy's new bedroom. Maggie, hello. Go up the stairs. And it's purple. And there's me. Coming back from the hat luncheon. So here's her bed. And I painted the headboard. Pretty cool. It's all purple. And then I painted the dresser. Pretty cool, huh? Did all that. Here's me again after the luncheon. There's our TV, and I painted that little dresser too. There you go. And we put the bed diagonally, and we like it. Pretty cool. Baby's bedroom.